Hello everybody in my space land. This is the Art of Story Channel with Slick Rick, and I came up with some funky fresh rhymes I like to stare at you a day at a time, so tune in and listen up. Hello everybody, the name is Slick Rick. I got some funky fresh rhymes that all I got to get. I only mean to pull a call, and I only mean to pull it hard. I met this prostitute in hot pursuit of Elkhorn Boulevard. He said, hey there, handsome. Would you like a little cooch on the side for some ransom? I said, handsome, I came on the ransom. Want some money, you want me to handsome? I said, no, push it aside. I only got about $1.95. She said, I can work with a couple cents, or whatever you got in your pocket, whatever you work with. I took her to the corner for about $1. She gave me a couple of sucks, till up or slurp it up. It was kind of delightful and kind of pleasurable until she had dentist cell on the top of my testicles. I said, what the hell, you ain't got no teeth? I couldn't explain it, what a relief. The reaper the pleasure, the greater the pleasure when she's sucking with her gums. Baby, whatever. But don't leave your dentition and the teeth bite. Whatever my beef strike. I quickly pimp slapped her, get off my balls. So she said, please, don't leave me tucked in my drawers. She said, please, don't leave me away. And this is what she said every day. It's all because of you. My teeth all gummy too. You went away. Now my life is filled a rainy day. I love you so, 'cause I gave you an oral blow. Oh, but you took your nuts away from me. I said, bitch, what are you crazy? You're not my lady and you're not my baby. She started to act shady and pull out the knife and start putting her street like OJ and his white wife. This bitch psycho, claw like Michael. So I had to hit her with a right bow. She bounced back up and said, you motherfucker, I can throw him up. Let's go, you chump. Gave me a quick look and one to the jab. And then she hit me swift, right when that made she grabbed. Straight in my eyes, those are my clients I couldn't see. Like I was Stevie Wonder blind. What can I find? Lost my wallet, I lost my credit card and all my things in deposit. One thing that Slick Rick learned, never give favors to a prostitute in return. Peace and blessings.